Good morning to all. Namaste. My name is Dr. Naveen Kumar Dagudu. I am addiction psychiatrist and super specialist in psychiatry. Today we have to discuss on the sleep hygiene. This is the educational video and awareness video how to get a good sleep through to maintain our hygiene regarding the sleep. So why sleep is so important? Sleep is everybody's requirement. If you have a good sleep in a quantity around 6 to 8 hours of time or 9 hours of time and having of quality of satisfaction that make you energize again to next day work and improves your memory, and it is a very important for the heart related functions, so it prevents the heart related strokes, cancer risk, obesity, many chronic inflammatory conditions. So these are all the things depend upon the sleep. And very importantly, sleep is a one of the indicator for your psychological health. So with this, sleep hygiene is so much important for to have a good sleep. Not only having of a natural sleep, even the people who are suffering with the sleep problems, apart from the medicines, they have to deal with the a peculiar set of the behavior and environmental change for to get the adequate and good sleep is very important. So for that I have to educate what is the sleep hygiene to do or not to do the activities. First of all, in the evening around 6 or 7 p.m. later on, don't drink, don't take, don't consume mind activating products like tea, coffee, high caffeine content cool drinks, and alcohol, cigarette smoking. These are the behaviors which make you activate, so it interrupts the sleep onset and sleep maintenance. Second thing, you have to make a habit after the dinner to before going to the bed. At least it need a 2 to 3 hours of the gap, so that make the your stomach feel less weight. So and also the whatever the blood accumulation toward the stomach area, it will be become less. And if you feel hungry when you maintain 3 hours of the gap between the this before dinner after the dinner to before sleep, so you have to take a cup of the cup of the milk, sorry, so cup of the milk. Usually this the milk a very a room temperature type of thing, not too hot not too low. Second thing, you make your environment of the bedroom or where you have to go for the sleep, that room will be dark, and as maximum as possible don't put on the lights, and the you dedicate your bed for the only for sleep. So while on the bed you have to drink, you have to eating for the dinner, you have to chit chatting with the partner and your family members, better not to do. The bed is dedicated for the only sleep. If you maintain like this, the conditioning response while you lie down on the bed, you will be get the automatically your sleep is become inducted. And in whenever you have the thoughts are ruminating in your mind, make a habit to write it down on the paper. So after a couple of weeks and days, you will be when you put on the pen on the paper, automatically your thought will be get rid of from your brain. So this type of the thought hygiene through have making a habit to how to rewind it, how to make a memorize it on the paper, so your mind is automatically know that I am not forgetting this activity for which we have to do in the tomorrow, so this is not bothering in the night. So maybe that is the one of the reason for your dreams also. Second, the thing important thing another thing is the whenever you have the break in the nights while in sleep, you don't lie down on the bed that side this side, don't roll, not roll to them. Better to, if you have a clear conscious, you get out from the bed, go for the urinals and take a 100-200 ml of water and do 1 or 2 minutes of walking, then go on the bed again to start the sleep. That will be easy to induct and restart your sleep. Otherwise, what happened? If the break is happened 5 to 10 minutes, what type of the thoughts are happening in that time, that only thoughts will be memorized. So when you have the break of 2 or 3 times, while after getting of sleep, you feel it. I have my entire my night, yesterday night, I have full of thoughts. I am not sleep at all. Actually, what happened? In between the breaks, you're sleeping. You forgetting that. So our mind will be misuse our sleep quantity. And very important and last thing is the fix of waking time. You have to fix it. So by that time you have to get rid of, whether you late sleeper or whether it's early sleeper for the day, but you have to maintain a fixed sleep time. So based on the wake up time, that will be make your biological rhythms will be balanced in the next another day. So these are the activities you need to do to have a good sleep hygiene. And if you have the, don't follow the late evenings of exercise, some things that will make you activate, another more important thing. So you, all these sleep hygiene things are very much important for the public health aspects, and this video dedicated to you all. Thank you once again.